one would be your forward order that never gets delivered. I completely understand the pain for a D2C owner. First, spending on customer acquisition, then you're spending on sending it to the customer, and then it does not get delivered. And then it comes back to you. At times, it's not even your product. So, to help with this, Clippost helps you enable the entire tracking visibility for your internal teams to be on top of things. Get that visibility where your orders are. In the recent times, with the same day next day delivery is coming in, we've seen brands that are able to deliver within less than 30 days or curb their RTOs to less than 10% as well. And these are brands I'm talking of at, say, sales of 50,000, 70,000 orders on a monthly basis from B2C channel.
Thinking that maybe quick commerce is a fad, it's good to have, or these same day next day deliveries. Just I think last year, most brands that work with us, they felt that this is a fad. Probably it's driving customer curiosity, but maybe it will sizzle down. So now I think most of brands that work with us enabling same day next day delivery, of course, with the entire partner ecosystem that enables this whole D2C thing within India, where be it carriers like Shadowfax, Blitz, I think is doing a phenomenal job here of enabling and ensuring that brands can enable the same day, next day deliveries via the services that are provided. And then there are enablers like Clippost again that help to ensure that those deliveries are made in that time frame. In fact, during the recent Nykaa end of season sale that's going on right now, we actually went ahead and enabled them with not just same day deliveries but actual hyper local deliveries where deliveries are happening in as soon as 45 minutes to an hour's time. Along with the whole partner ecosystem, I think today the e-commerce customers in a way are spoiled for choice because the Indian e-commerce ecosystem is just offering them whatever they wish for. I mean, partners like us, carriers like Shadowfax is doing the whole hyperlocal thing very, very nicely. And everybody put together, I think we are able to deliver to what consumers want and also willing to pay for that experience.
Clippost has actually come up with a returns and exchange platform to enable easier returns, exchanges, as well as refunds. And it has all customizations available as per each brand's unique requirement. Somebody who wants to charge for maybe the customer placing a return or exchange, that is possible. Somebody who wants to enable no questions asked returns and refunds on pickup, that is available. Along with these, the partner ecosystem, carrier partners have also started a lot of services which are going to just optimize the whole of the returns and exchange piece. So one new initiative that carriers are offering is, of course, pickup at the customer's doorstep with QC or a quality check. This just optimizes the entire returns exchange to a level where refunds can be initiated at the doorstep, become itself. Secondly, a hand-in-hand exchange is also something that a lot of carriers are sort of piloting at the moment. Operationally, there are challenges, of course, in enabling this, but hand-in-hand exchange is, I think, going to be something that might take it to the next level of optimization. So one thing that I've seen as common feedback across probably 400 brands that do work with in the Indian D2C space is definitely obsession with customer experience. Right from pre-purchase journey where customers can get visibility on when they are going to receive the order to post-purchase, ensuring that customer does not even come to a point where they need to raise queries like where is my order. These should be self-explanatory, should not even be a cost to the company. So ensuring these flows are in place, as well as along with this, building that brand presence, ensuring that they are already on top of the customer's mind by sending out those notifications throughout the shipping journey, today has to have that higher purpose. that they're focusing on, what is their core mission that they are sort of leading up to, ensuring that that post-purchase experience also aligns with the overall mission of the company to build that brand community. Because with online sales, what's important is, of course, you with performance marketing, SEO, you can get that initial customer conversion. Retention is where it all comes down to eventually.